Roots and earth from the hills of Jamaica, blessed by sun, rain and Jah creation. I am Jah light, son of the soil, keeper of the roots, and every leaf carry healing vibration. See the fever grass grow by the river bend, ball it in a tea, let your body mend. Pull down the system, cleanse the blood flow. Nature know the cure before man know. So what's up, leave for the restless mind. Calm your nerves, let your peace you find. Guava leaf for the belly ache pain. Balance your body, restore again. Wake herbs of Jamaica, healing of creation. Gift from the most high for every nation. Roots and leaves, them carry vibration. One love, one earth, pure medication. No herbs of Jamaica, carry Jah light. Healing in the morning, healing at night. From the mountain top to the ocean side. Natural remedy, ever righteous, ever right. Ever righteous, ever right. Ever righteous, ever right. Neem leaf bitter but cleanse inside. Drive out toxin, purify the tide. Moringa strong, full of life and zinc. Food for the brain, give the body think. Turmeric gold from the roots below. Fight inflammation, let your healing grow. Serasi bitter but bitter is cure. Clean out the system, natural sure. Listen me now, nature nah hide nothing. The medicine grow in the bush, them cutting them. Sell pill and potion, but truth remain. Every weed, every root carry Jah name. High man chant for the herbal salvation. From the hills come Jah vibration. Herbs of Jamaica, healing of creation. Gift from the most high for every nation. Roots and leaves, them carry vibration. One love, one earth, pure medication. No herbs of Jamaica, carry Jah light. Healing in the morning, healing at night. From the mountain top to the ocean side. Natural remedy, ever righteous, ever right. Ever righteous, ever right. Ginger fire, warm up the vein. Fight the flu, ease out the pain. Mint leaf cool for the bread so clean. Bless up the heart, make the spirit serene. Stars up, barilla, build up the blood. Iron and root for the youth, them good. Ganja herb, the mind it free. Medicare sandwich to divinity. I am Jah light, herbal mystic. Speak for the roots, the green and holistic. From mountain, bush to backyard, yard. Nature a doctor, healing art. So when Babylon call it weed, I call it wisdom. Every seed a part of Jah kingdom. So sip your tea, breathe your air. The cure living on the ground right here. Herbs of Jamaica, healing forever.